Assalamu alaikum students, I am your science teacher from Allied High School, Kot Sultan. Today I am taking the subject science from Oxford Secondary Science for class 7. The chapter number 8 is we are starting, and the lecture number 1, the topic 1 of chapter 8 is atom. First of all, you all must aware about the definitions of atoms, that what is the atom. एटम इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्टिकल ऑफ एन एलिमेंट। बेटा आप ये भी कह सकते हैं एटम जो है वो कायनात का सबसे छोटा ज़रा है। यू कैन आल्सो ट्राई द अनदर डेफिनेशन ऑफ द एटम। एटम इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट इंडिविजिबल पार्टिकल। देन व्हाट इज़ वर्ड इंडिविजिबल मीन? इंडिविजिबल मीन विच कैन नॉट बी डिवाइडेड मोर, मीन्स ये कायनात का इतना छोटा ज़रा है, ये मज़ीद तकसीम नहीं हो सकता। एटम इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट इंडिविजिबल पार्टिकल विच कैन नॉट be divided more. Example of atom, we can say that if you look in the surrounding, even in the classroom, where are you sitting, the tables, the chairs, the desk, all these are made up of the atoms. Okay, if you look at the sky, the planets, the moons, the stars, even you can say atom is the smallest particle. Even you can say atom is that smallest particle. All the universe is made up of the atoms. And you can simply say the different elements are made up of the combination of the different atoms. As I am giving you the examples of the chair. Chair is not simply made up of a single element. It is made up of the combination of the different elements, like carbon is one element, hydrogen is one element, oxygen is one element. These chairs are made up of combination of the different elements. Okay, the next topic is the discovering atoms. In this topic we will discuss, the next topic is the discovering atoms. In this topic we will discuss that how many scientists contribute in the discovery of scientists and what role they played in the discovery of the atoms. The first scientist who played the role in the discovery of the first scientist who played the role in the discovery of the atom was the Democritus. Democritus was a Greek philosopher. He first stated that atom is the ancient Greek word. The word atom is the ancient Greek word which means the indivisible. As I have already told you the meaning of the indivisible, which cannot be divided more and more. For his existence he performed many experiments, and in his one experiment he ground up of different materials until he had a fine powder which could not be broken down any smaller. We can say that he take different elements, like the combination of different elements, I can say carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. He ground up these elements until a fine powder is made. He stated that this fine powder is not divided more, this fine powder is indivisible. It means that this indivisible particle will be of the atom. The next scientist which played the role in the discovery of the atom was the John Dalton. John Dalton was also a Greek philosopher. He stated that each chemical element is made up of different atoms. Means we are taking the examples of the carbon. Carbon is a single element. It doesn't mean that it is not made up of combination of another atoms. This element carbon is made up of combination of different atoms. He stated that each chemical element, like you can take the example of carbon, carbon is an element. You can take the example of nitrogen, nitrogen is an element. It means these chemical elements are made up of combination of different atoms. The next scientist, I think you all of will be aware of about that scientist, Ernest Rutherford. It is also called the father of the chemistry. He made a lot of contributions in the field of the chemistry. He discovered that atoms have a tiny dense nucleus. Means he said that atoms is the smallest indivisible particle. It doesn't mean that atoms is not made up of another, you can say protons, neutrons. He said that atoms is also made up of another elements like nucleus. Nucleus is what? Nucleus is the hereditary materials. ये एक विरासती मटेरियल होता है जो आपकी इंफॉर्मेशंस को एक पार्ट से दूसरे पार्ट तक कैरी करता है. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz, take care.